Hi everyone, welcome back to Sri Sampath Vinayaka Learning channel. Now in this video we will discuss about the do this problem in page number 44 ma. See here the question is which of the following are empty sets? Justify your answer is asking. Okay, for that listen ma, in the first question set of integers which lie between 2 and 3. Firstly we have to write the integers which lies in between 2 and 3 ma. We know there is no integer in between 2 and 3. That's why it is going to be an empty set. Okay, Nama? I hope you understand. Coming to that second question, set of natural numbers that are smaller than 1. Natural numbers smaller than 1, we know there are no natural number smaller than 1 because natural number starts from 1. Okay, the third question is set of odd numbers that leave remainder 0 when divided by 2. That means we have to write the odd numbers which leaves remainder 0 when divided by 2. That's not possible. It's simply impossible because odd numbers are the numbers which leave remainder 1 when divided by 2. There is no odd number which leaves the remainder 0 when divided by 2. That's why it is also an empty set. Okay, Nama? I hope you understand this. The second question, ma. State which of the following sets are finite and which are infinite. Give reasons for your answer. First question here, x says that x belongs to n and x is less than 100 ma. X anedi natural number and x is less than 100. Then into that we will write 1, 2, 3 so on 99. That means number of A is equal to 99. That is the number of elements in the set A are countable. So it is finite set. Coming to the B. Set B is x says that x is a natural number and x is less than or equal to 5. So into that set we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means number of B is equal to 5. As the number of B is having countable number of elements, that's why it is a set which is finite. C is having an infinite number of elements in it. C 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, so on. We don't know up to what extent we have to write. That's why number of C is infinite. As it is having uncountable number of elements, this is an infinite set. Coming to the set D, it is simply set of 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of D is equal to 4. As number of D is countable, so it is a finite set. Here x says that x is a day of the week. Day of the week means we know in a week we have 7 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Number of E is equal to 7. As it is countable, it is a finite set. Third question here. Pick the set which is infinite. First question here is the set of whole numbers less than 10. The set of whole numbers less than 10 means from 0 we know whole numbers will start 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. That means these are 10 numbers. That means countable number of elements are there. So it is a finite set. So it is finite ma. We need not to tick. Okay? Why? Because we have to tick if it is infinite only. Now, the set of prime numbers less than 10. Here also, there are only 4 primes which are less than 10. Those are 2, 3, 5, 7. So, this is also finite. Okay, Nama? Coming to the third question here, the set of integers less than 10. We know the integers less than 10 are infinite. Why? Because we are going to write all the negative integers and the positive integers up to 9. That means these are infinite numbers. So it is an infinite set. Okay, Nama? As it is infinite, we have to tick it. Okay, Nama? Now, the set of factors of 10. We know how to write the factors of 10. Okay, these are the factors of 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. So it is also having countable number of elements. That is 4 elements. So it is also finite. Okay. So here the C question is infinite. That we have to tick. Now we will discuss the problems of try this in the same page number 44 ma. Here the first question is which of the following sets are empty sets? Justify your answer is asking. Now see ma, given question A is the set of all the numbers which satisfies x square is equal to 4 and 3x is equal to 9. Okay, now we have to write the elements or the values of x which satisfies both x square is equal to 4 and 3x is equal to 9. X square is equal to 4 means x is equal to plus or minus 2. 3x is equal to 9 means x is equal to 3. So see ma, for these two conditions, x is not same. Okay, now that means x is different in both the cases. We have to write the elements which satisfies both the conditions. There is no value which satisfies both the conditions. So that's why the set A is empty. Here in the same question, another question is given ma. The set of all triangles in a plane having the sum of the three angles is less than 180. We know that there is no triangle with their sum of the three angles is less than 180. That is why this is also an empty set. I hope you understand. See ma, second question. B is given as the set of elements of x where x plus 5 is equal to 5. That means we have to prove this is a non-empty set. Okay na? For that x plus 5 is equal to 5 ma. By that x is equal to 5 minus 5, that is 0. As that 0 is going to be an element of the set B, B is not empty. That we have to write. As the set B is having 0 as an element, B is not empty. We will discuss another question, think and discuss from the same page number 44. An empty set is finite set. Is the statement is true or false? Why is asking? Yes, empty set is a finite set because number of pi is equal to 0. That means here we are having countable number of elements in it. That means pi is having 0 elements. It is countable. So that is why here we will say pi is an empty set. It's a very important bit ma. We will discuss a question in the page number 45, that is think and discuss ma. Very important question it is. What is the relation between number of A, number of B, number of A in section B and number of A union B asked. We know the fundamental theorem of sets. So number of A union B plus number of A in section B is equal to number of A plus number of B. This is the relation between the cardinalities of the two different sets. If A and B are disjoint sets, then how can you find number of A union B? We know if A comma B are disjoint sets, then A in section B is empty ma. If A in section B is empty, then number of A in section B is 0. Then the relation between the cardinalities will become number of A union B plus, in the place of number of A in section B I will write 0 and number of A plus number of B. So number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B ma. Okay, I hope you understand these problems easily. If you like the video, please share the video with your friends and ask them to subscribe our channel. Thank you ma.